Hey guys, it's me, Eldrin Jade, and welcome back to a vlog of mine, and welcome back to the channel. Now, this video is slightly different. This is going to be the 101 greatest animal facts. There's a website online saying, here's our big list of 101 greatest animal facts. This includes some of the most asked, flying, surprising, crazy animal facts from across the animal kingdom. The loudest, the deadliest, fastest, largest, the most bizarre and random, and we are all here on our big animal fact list. So the first one is, the loudest animal in the world is a mere 2 centimeter long prawn. The pistol shrimp is capable of snapping its claws shut so rapidly that it creates a bubble which collapses to produce a sonic blast louder than a Concorde sonic boom. The shock wave can reach 230 decibels. Decibels. Also louder than the sound of a gunshot. The imploding bubble for split seconds also regenerates temperatures of 4,400 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the sun, killing its prey. That's interesting. Number 2. Flamingos are not pink, they are born grey. Their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye called caryophyllene that makes their feathers pink. Flamingos and zoos often lost their colouring until zookeepers supplemented their diets. Number 3. Otters hold hands while sleeping, so they don't float away from each other, and it's super cute. Number 4. Okay, did not know that. Hummingbirds are the only known birds that can also fly backwards. They often do this when retreating away from flowers. Number 5. Now, I didn't know this, but dolphins use toxic pufferfish to get high. Dolphins deliberately handle pufferfish, causing them to release toxins as a defense mechanism. These toxins can be deadly in high doses, but also have a narcotic effect and are a powerful hallucinogenic, which dolphins appear to enjoy. Did not know that. There's a documentary witnessed them passing around pufferfish in a pod before floating just underneath the water's surface, apparently mesmerized by their own reflections afterwards. Number 6. The inland taipan, also known as the western taipan, is the most venomous snake in the world. A single bite contains enough venom to kill at least 100 fully grown men and can kill within just 30 minutes if left untreated. Wow. They very rarely ever come in contact with humans. However, every reliable identification of a snake bite victim from an inland taipan have been herpetologists. When handling and studying the snakes, they have all survived due to a successful treatment of anti-venom. Number 7. The world's deadliest animal isn't a shark, bear or tiger, but something far smaller, the mosquito. According to the World Health Organization, 7,025,000 people are killed each year from mosquito-borne diseases, such as malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. Mosquitoes outnumber every other animal in the world apart from ants and termites. They can also be found in nearly every part of the world, which all add up in the risk they pose to humans. Number 8. There are more than 1.4 billion insects for each human on the planet, according to recent estimates. Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth. Their population is estimated 10 sevenths and 10/8 billion alone, in comparison to approximately 7 billion humans on the planet. Number 9. The shortest living animal in the world is the mayfly. Its entire adult lifespan is just 24 hours. The mayfly reproduces and then dies. During that short 24-hour period of life, some species of mayfly only live for 8 to 10 hours. Although they have the shortest adult lifespan, they actually exist as a nymph in water from 3 to 7 years, depending on species. Number 10. The horned lizard is able to shoot blood from its own eyes. Now that's kind of disgusting. Up to a distance of 3 feet away. The rather bizarre and disgusting act is a defensive mechanism to confuse predators. Their blood contains a chemical that is noxious to predators, and this isn't the only trick. Shorthorn lizards are also capable of inflating their bodies up to twice their size to scare anything away. Number 11. Roosters prevent themselves from going deaf due to their own loud crowing by tilting their head backs when they crow, which covers their ear canal completely, serving as an inbuilt earplug. As a built-in earplug. A study showed that their crowing averages over 100 decibels, which is roughly the same as running a chainsaw. Number 12. Little is known about the elusive giant squid. However, the largest squid ever found measured over 50 feet and weighed nearly a ton. To put that in perspective, that's bigger than the bus. Number 13. The pangolin is able to roll up into an armor-plated ball, so lions can't eat them. If only this worked for poachers, who simply pick them up when they roll into a ball. Number 14. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. Koala need more sleep than most animals because their diet of eucalyptus leaves. Wait, let's say that again. Eucalyptus. I can't say it. Eucalyptus. That's it. Eucalyptus leaves contains toxins and are very low in nutrition and high in fibrous matter, so they take a large amount of energy to digest. Number 15. Swifts spend most of their lives flying in the air and can fly for almost an entire day without ever landing. A study showed that over a 10-month period, a swift stopped just for 2 hours. Number 16. What? Even after having its head cut off, a cockroach can still live for weeks. Even stranger, a cockroach's head can actually survive by itself for a few hours too. I did not know that. Ooh. Really? Number 17. A group of parrots is known as a pandemonium, which I didn't know, and the collective term for porcupines is a prickle. Number 18. Cows poo up to 15 times a day, which can be as much as 115 pounds of manure per day, or approximately 21 tons per year. The large quantities are often put to good use though. Manure to fertilizer, to fuel, to biogas to create electricity and heat for developing parts of the world. Number 19. A common garden snail has 14,000 teeth. Their microscopic teeth are called the radula. And some species actually have over 20,000 teeth. Number 20. A blue whale's tongue can weigh as much as a car or a small adult elephant. A blue whale's tongue can weigh approx 2.7 tons, or 6,000 to 8,000 pounds, or 2,720 to 3,630 kilograms. That's a wow. Number 21. The longest living verified animal in this Madagascar radiated tortoise, or tortoise, what is he chopped, which died at an age of 188 years in May 1965. However, there might be even older. Adwaita, an Audubon giant tortoise, died at an estimated of 255 in March 2006 in Alipur Zoo, Kolkata, India. If verified, it will have been the oldest terrestrial animal in the world. Number 22. The fastest land animal on the planet is a cheetah. It can reach speeds of up 75 miles per hour, which is 120 kilometers per hour. While the peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, with a diving speed of 242 miles per hour, which is also 389 kilometers per hour. The fastest animal in horizontal flight is the Brazilian three-tailed bat, which can reach speeds of 100 miles per hour. The sailfish and black marlin are joint fastest sea animals and can swim up to 22 miles per hour, which is also 36 kilometers per hour. Number 23. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort, just like babies and young children suck their thumbs. Number 24. The Nile crocodile's jaws can apply 5,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, the strongest bite of any animal in the world. A human's jaw produces 100 pounds of pressure per square inch. In comparison, a crocodile's bite is 10 times more powerful than that of a great white shark. Number 25. Axolotls are able to regenerate lost limbs and body organs. Mexican walking fish can regrow the same limb up to 5 times and even regenerate some of parts of its brain. That's so clever. That's so smart.